Hi Philip, thanks very much for the question on your Beko WM5101W washing machine. Now, it's Boxing Day today and you did send this in a day before New Year's Eve, so my apologies for the late response, but I've got to have some time off as well. Right, you're basically telling me the washing machine fills with water, turns in both directions, and then continues doing this forever basically, and does not go into the rinse cycle or the spin cycle. But you have also said to me that you have basically turned the machine off, then turned it to spin and empty, and it did spin and empty correctly. So we know that the pump system is good and it's emptying the water. What I'm not sure on is what you've said when it's heating. A common fault with these washing machines are basically if the element went open circuit or the wiring was damaged on the heater, the machine would rotate one direction, rotate the other direction with water in the drum, but the the machine would not be able to get to temperature, and therefore the machine will just continue doing this until you stop it basically. So do test the heating system again. Take the two wires off there, do a continuity test on the element and make sure that that's good. Also, the workshop manual that I've got you, and I'm putting a link in the description on this video, is not the best from Beko. It's only a 20-page workshop manual. They normally are very good workshop manuals and 80-90 pages long. But it will show you the test procedure on there for the NTC sensors. Now, the NTC sensor will change in value as the temperature changes. So do check the NTC sensor. The only other things I could think that would be causing the problem, do check the continuity on each of the water valves, as if it was trying to do an additional fill while doing the wash cycle and the water valve was burnt out, then it wouldn't be able to get to the correct level of water, and this may also cause a problem. The only other thing I can think of is bad wiring on the machine. You want to make sure that you test all the wires going to the components, make sure that they've got continuity on each wire. Or the other thing is, it's a possible circuit board fault, I'm sorry to tell you. Do check the connections on the circuit board. Also visually inspect the circuit board if you are electrically minded. You would be able to see any blown components on the circuit board if they've blown badly. But I will tell you, this machine is just over 10 years old by the look of it, and it is possible that you could find a complete machine on eBay or Facebook Marketplace for as little as £20, where the bearings or the motor may have failed on that machine, and you would be able to acquire the whole machine for parts to repair yours. I hate seeing machines go to the landfill. It's one of my pet hates in life. They are thrown out on so many occasions because of the simplest of faults. Anyway, on the description of this video, I've put a link to a page that not only has additional videos for testing the heating circuit, intermittent faults on washing machines with regards electrical intermittent faults, and also the workshop manual and wiring diagram, which should assist you in repairing your machine. Good luck with your repair. Hope you had a great Christmas. If you do need further help, feel free to contact us using the contact us page on the website. Thanks very much indeed for contacting us.